Hi, kindergarten friends. We are doing a number talks today all about the number 7. We're going to do half of the number talks today, and then we're going to do the number bonds or all the different ways to make 7. We'll do that in a couple of days. I want to make it 2 separate numbers. Now that the numbers are getting bigger, it takes longer to do those number bonds. Okay, so first I just want to look at the poster. Okay, here's how you make the number 7. Okay, we've got a straight line on top and then a slant line down. Straight on the top, slant line down, number 7 is in town. This is how you write 7, S-E-V-E-N. I think I'm going to put that up there. So I can make a 7 like this. I'm going to make myself a dot, straight on the top and a slant line down. And when you write it, it starts with a S. You can kind of sound this one out. Seven. Okay? They're showing us 7 dots or 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? I've got 5 like this, and then 2 more over here. 5 and 2 is 7. It looks like the dots on a dice, right? Okay, here's another 7. We've got 7 ice cream cones to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's the word 7 again. Okay, here's 7 cubes. This is what 7 looks like on a 10 frame. We have it up there. And here's 7 tally marks. I'm going to show you how to make 7 tally marks right here. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on the top. On the top of the 10 frame, that means the top row is 5 and 2 more on the bottom. So we could count like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or if you already know there's 5 on the top, we can just say 5 plus 2, right? 5 and 2 more is 7, like we do on our fingers. And that's the way the tally marks are going to look too, because we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember when we get to 5, we're not going to put 5 here. I'm going to erase that. We're going to hook them together with a slanted line. Now that shows a group of 5, just like we see 5 on the top row. And if we know we already have 5, like this, 5 fingers, then we know we just have to add 1, 2 more. Okay, that's all we're going to do for now. Like I said, we're going to do all the different ways to make 7, the number bonds. We're going to do that on another day. So I'm just going to step over here to the table and move my camera down so you guys can see better. Might have to move it way down like this. And then I'm going to sit down and put my glasses on. So I want you guys to get out your yellow math folder. Now we've worked the last couple of days, we were working on Go Math. I decided to do that. I didn't want to, it would take me a long time to finish that packet, the chapter 2, and I want to go on to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? Because we want to be done with the number 10 by Christmas. I'm sure we'll be done before that. Because our first semester we work on numbers 1 through 10. The second semester we work on the teen numbers, and we go on after the kids get to 20, then when we go on to 30, 40, 50, all the way to 100. Okay, so I'm going to open up my folder. I'm going to get out the little 7 packet. Now I did not put these packets together, so this is going to be a little different than the other ones. It doesn't have the tracing page in there, but that's all right. We can do this. What I think we'll do is let's trace this. It says color the number 7. I think I'd like you to trace it with rainbow colors, since we're not doing that tracing page. So rainbow colors, you guys know, are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And you know there's a couple of different shades of blue and a couple of different shades of orange, so you just choose the one that you want. So when I trace this 7, instead of coloring the inside, I'm going to just trace it. I'm going to go, the first time I'm going to go straight line across, a slant line down, number 7 is in town. So I'm not coloring it like that. I'll know who watched the video, because I'll see some of you guys are going to color it. I want you to trace it, because we don't have the other tracing pages that we usually do. Okay, now I'm going to take the orange, and I'm going to go orange, and I'm going to trace orange. I'll do one more, and then I'll show you. And then I'm going to trace with yellow. See how my rainbow's shaping up there? We've got red, orange, yellow, and then I'm going to trace green. Might put that that one like that. So they shows up blue, and the last one is purple. This could be so pretty. You know what? I didn't grab a purple. Hang on. Here it is. Purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. There. Isn't that pretty? I can see all colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. That was 6 colors. I might go ahead and add a pink and make it 7 colors. I'll kind of fill in some of the white there. There, now I see 7 colors in my number 7. That is really, really pretty. I see the rainbow. Okay, now down here it says color these 7 batty bats. That's good for Halloween. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if you want, you can color them all black. If you want to color them rainbow colors, you can do that. I think I'm going to color those later, okay? These 3 pages that we're doing today are super easy. Now you can see this is just a review of numbers, and the numbers 6 and 7 aren't even in there. Like I said, I didn't put these packets together. All right, so here we're going to just color 2 eggs. Here we're going to color 1, 2, 3. Here we're going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we're only going to color 1. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hearts, but we're only coloring whatever the number is here on the left. And here we're going to color 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. Since that's a review, I think I'm going to keep going, okay? Same thing, super easy. Just review numbers 1 through 5. 1, 2, 3 trees, 2 hamburgers, 1 tomato, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this page is recognizing the number and coloring the amount. So that's more of a counting page. This one is counting and then recognizing the number. Okay, that's really, really easy. And that is all we're going to do. I'm going to save the next couple of pages for tomorrow. Okay.